Welcome to Best Buying Report. The best Toshiba remote is probably one of the most essential gadgets for your home entertainment setup. Imagine effortlessly navigating your TV, adjusting the volume, and switching channels, all from the comfort of your couch. This little device is designed to make your life easier, offering convenience and control at your fingertips. In this video, we'll dive deep into the features, benefits, and everything you need to know about this must-have accessory. Number 5. CT-RC1US19 Replacement Remote for Toshiba TV. This is a replacement remote control, model CT-RC1US19. It's designed to work with various Toshiba TV models. It offers a convenient way to control your television. This remote is compatible with several Toshiba TV models, including 65LF711U20, 55LF711U20, and many more. You can easily control your TV with this replacement. It features dedicated buttons for Prime Video, Netflix, HBO, and PlayStation View. You can quickly access your favorite streaming apps with just a press of a button. The remote is an IR remote, so no pairing is needed. Simply insert new batteries, and it's ready to go. It's designed for immediate use. If your TV has been reset to factory settings, you might need a Bluetooth voice remote for initial pairing. After that, this IR remote will function perfectly. It's a simple solution for your TV control needs. What we like. This remote offers instant access to your favorite apps with dedicated buttons for Prime Video, Netflix, HBO, and PlayStation View. It's incredibly easy to set up, you just need to insert batteries, and it's ready to go. If you are looking for a simple, plug-and-play solution to enhance your viewing experience, this is the perfect choice. What people say. It works exactly like the original. I was able to connect the new remote immediately and works well. The remote was compatible to my Toshiba TV. This one did not let me down. I haven't had any issues with this remote. My TV has not froze, the remote has not froze. Works as described. Number 4. Toshiba TV Replacement Remote Commander. Is your Toshiba TV remote not working? Don't worry, this replacement is here to help. It's designed to work with your TV. This remote is compatible with a wide range of Toshiba TV models. It works with models like 43LF421U19 and 55LF621U19. It's a versatile replacement. This remote is easy to set up and use. You don't need to program it, just insert batteries and it's ready to go. It offers all the functions you need. If your original remote is lost or damaged, this is the perfect replacement. It provides all the same functions as the original. It's a reliable solution. Bring back the convenience of controlling your TV. Order this replacement remote today and enjoy your TV again. It's a simple solution to a common problem. What we like. This remote is a straightforward replacement, offering standard IR control for your Toshiba TV. It's designed to be compatible with a wide range of Toshiba TV models. If you need a reliable and easy-to-use remote, this is a great option. What people say. Works right out the gate. Works great just like the original one. So impressed with this for this price. You don't have to get it to sync with the TV or anything. Put in batteries, hold back of remote slides, and turn on the TV and do your usual. It doesn't have voice, but I never use that anyway. Works just like the remote that came with the Fire TV but is more responsive and quick. Number 3. WINFLIKE CT-RC1US19 Remote for Toshiba TV. Tired of complicated setups? This remote is ready to go right out of the box. Simply insert batteries, and you're in control. Designed to work with a wide range of Toshiba TV models. It's compatible with many different series, ensuring you can find the perfect fit. No programming is needed. This remote is designed for simplicity, making it easy for anyone to use. It offers a straightforward experience. You'll receive one remote control. Batteries are not included, so make sure you have some ready. It works with models such as 32LF221U19, 43LF421U19, 50LF621U19, and many more. Check the full list to confirm it's the right one for your TV. What we like. This remote is incredibly user-friendly, requiring no programming, just add batteries, and you're set. If you value simplicity and ease of use, this remote is ideal for you. What people say. Works perfectly. The remote is an exact replacement and works great. The remote works perfectly with my Toshiba TV. Number 2. Insignia Toshiba TV Replacement Remote Control. Tired of struggling with your TV remote? This replacement is designed for Insignia and Toshiba TVs. It offers a seamless experience, putting you in control with ease. This remote is compatible with a wide range of Insignia and Toshiba TV models. It works perfectly with models like 50LF621C19, 55LF621C19, and many more. You can be sure it will work with your TV. Setting up this remote is a breeze. Simply insert the batteries and it's ready to go. No complicated programming is required, so you can start enjoying your TV right away. This replacement remote provides reliable performance. It ensures that you can change channels, adjust the volume, and access all the features of your TV without any issues. It is a great choice. This remote control supports a variety of models, including 32LF221U19, 43LF421U19, 49LF421U19, 65LF711U20, NS505DF710NA19, NS55DF710NA19, and NS32DF310NA19. It is a versatile solution for your TV needs. What we like. This remote is a direct IR replacement, designed to work with both Toshiba and Insignia TVs. If you have multiple TVs in your home, this remote can be a convenient choice. What people say. Works perfectly with my Toshiba TV. The remote is easy to use. It has all the functions I need. Number 1. AIDITIYMI CT RC1 US 19 Remote for Toshiba TV. Introducing the AIDITIYMI CT RC1 US 19 Remote Control. It's a direct replacement for your Toshiba TV remote, designed to work right out of the box. Forget complicated programming. Simply insert 2 new AAA alkaline batteries, and it's ready to go. This remote is designed for ease of use. This remote is compatible with a wide range of Toshiba Smart 4K UHD TVs. It supports many models, ensuring it will work with your TV. It features shortcut keys for quick access to your favorite apps. This allows you to navigate your TV with ease and efficiency. The package includes one IR remote control. Get yours today and enjoy a seamless TV viewing experience. What we like. This remote features shortcut app keys for quick access to your favorite streaming services. It's also incredibly easy to set up, just insert the batteries, and you're ready to go. If you like having quick access to your favorite apps, you should consider this one. What people say. The remote works as described for my Toshiba TV. Easy to pair. Works great. This remote is super easy to set up, nothing to it. Everything works on it. I have bought a few before that sucked. Get this one. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.